Good morning students. Welcome back to Maths online class grade 9. Today we are going to see the continuation of the first chapter set language. Dear children, take your first chapter note and write it down. In last class we learned about the application on cardinality of sets. Okay, some results we learned, isn't it? If A and B are two finite sets, then n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay, second one, n of A minus B is equal to n of A minus n of A intersection B. Third one, n of B minus A is equal to n of B minus n of A intersection B, isn't it? Then fourth one, n of A dash is equal to n of U minus n of A. Okay. With the help of this one, we can write like this also. Okay. Then one more. If A, B and C, A, B and C are three finite set means then n of A union B union C is equal to n of A plus n of B plus n of C minus n of A intersection B minus n of B intersection C minus n of A intersection C plus n of A intersection B intersection C. Did you study this result? Then you must learn this one. Then only you can do the problems. Okay. Then in last class I gave 3 sum as a homework, isn't it? Then take your homework and check it. Okay, check these answers. I am giving answers. Okay, then exercise 1.5, 10th sum. Universal set A, B is given, verify De Morgan's laws. What are the De Morgan's laws for complementation? 2 laws are there, isn't it? So, we have to prove, we have to verify 2 laws also. A union B the whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. Okay. Then here A union B, first find out A union B the whole dash. Find out 10 and 15. Did you get this answer? Check it. Then A dash find. Then B dash. Then right hand side also find it. Okay. These two are equal. Okay. Then like that second law. A intersection B the whole dash is equal to A dash union B dash. So here first we have to find A intersection B and afterwards A intersection B the whole dash. Okay. Then answer is 4, 7, 10, 11, 15, 16. Did you get? Check your answers. Okay, very good. Then right hand side you take it A dash union B dash is equal to the same answer only. Then 3 and 4 these two are equal. Hence verified. Next homework sum is exercise 1.6. Then first one, subdivision 1. If n of A is given, n of B is given, n of A union B also given, n of B dash also given. Find n of A intersection B, n of universal set. Okay, n of U. Then here formula you should write it. Then n of A intersection answer is 15. Did you get? Then afterwards n of universal set is formula is n of B plus n of B dash. Okay. These two values substitute, 65 is the answer. Okay. Then next second sum. If universal set is given, A given, B given, then verify. Here one law is, here one formula is given, isn't it? N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Both sides equal we have to prove. Okay. Then first universal set write it, A set, B set write it, and afterwards n of A union B, left hand side 7 is the answer. Then right hand side also you have to check. Okay, right hand side this value substitute, then 7. Okay, from 1 and 2, then we can write what? N of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay, hence verify. Did you check the answers? Example 1.29. Let A is equal to set of B, D, E, G heights, and B is equal to A, E, C heights. Okay, verify that n of A minus B is equal to n of A minus n of A intersection B. Okay, here A set is given, then B set also given, isn't it? Then from here we have to find left hand side. First you should take it n of A minus B, isn't it? N of A minus B means first we have to find A minus B. Okay, A minus B means what are the A set? B, D, E, G heights. Then minus B set is A, E, C heights. Okay, then here A minus B means except B remaining A values, isn't it? Then A values in this small A is not in A set, isn't it? Leave it. Then shall we cancel this one? Okay. Then E is in A set. These two can cancel. Then C is not in A set. This one also you have to cancel, otherwise you will confuse. Okay, height is in A set, this is cancel. Okay, remaining A set, what are the elements you say? Very good. B, D and G. Okay, then A minus B we got, isn't it? But we need here n of A minus B. N of A minus B. Okay. N of A minus B is equal to number of elements. Number of A minus B. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3. N of A minus B is 3. That is left hand side we got the answer. 1 we have to take. Okay. Then right hand side we have to take. Right hand side N of A minus N of A intersection B. Isn't it? N of A minus N of A intersection B. So first we have to find N of A. A we know, isn't it? So N of A we can find. N of A is equal to number of A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements. Okay. Then here N of A intersection B. Here N of A intersection B. A intersection B means first we have to find A intersection B. Okay. A intersection B is equal to, say, A and B, which is common element. Which is common? B is not common. D also not here. Then E is common, isn't it? E. Then G is not in here. Then height is there, isn't it? Then any other? No. Okay. This intersection is E and heights. Then next we have to find N of A intersection B. N of A intersection B is equal to, say everyone, 1, 2. How many elements? 2 elements. Okay. Then right hand side, what is given? N of A minus N of A intersection B, isn't it? So you have to write N of A minus N of A intersection B is equal to N of A, how many elements? 5, isn't it? N of minus, this minus, then N of A intersection B is 2. Then equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. Have you understood? This is 2. Right hand side, you have to take 2. Okay. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. We get what? N of A minus B is equal to N of A minus N of A intersection B. Very clear? Next one is exercise 1.6. First one, subdivision 2. Okay. Subdivision 1 already you did the homework, isn't it? Then if N of A is equal to 300, N of A union B is equal to 500, N of A intersection B is equal to 50, and n of b dash is equal to 350. Find n of b and n of u. Okay. Then solution. Here what is given, first write it. N of a is equal to 300. Then n of a union b. Then n of a intersection b 50. Then n of b dash is equal to 300. 350. Okay. Everything you should write it. Then we have to find n of b. Okay. N of b you want to find out means then here n of u we don't know. Isn't it? So which formula we can use here? You have to use which formula here? N of a union b is given, n of a is given, then n of a intersection b also given, isn't it? So which formula? You think that formula, first formula we can apply here, isn't it? Then here n of a union b, okay, equal to n of a union b is equal to, say the formula, n of a plus n of b, then minus n of a intersection b. Okay. Here n of a union b we know, isn't it? N of a union b is 500. This place we have to substitute 500 is equal to n of a is 300. Okay. Plus n of b we don't know, isn't it? Okay. That n of b you have to find. N of b like that you write, minus n of a intersection b or 50. Very clear? Then here 500 is there, isn't it? This to subtract. 300 minus 50 is or 500 is equal to 300 minus 50 is or 250. Okay. Then plus n of b. Okay. Then 500 you should write it, this 250 we have to bring the left hand side. So sign it will change, isn't it? Here plus means here coming time, then minus it will come. Okay. Minus 250 is equal to what? N of b. Okay. Then here 500 minus 250 is equal to what's the value? 500 minus 250 is, if you subtract, then 250 we will get. Okay, equal to n of b. Okay, so we have to interchange. Okay, interchange means the sign it won't change. Okay, this n of b we have to bring this side, then 250 you bring right hand side. Okay, then for what's the answer? N of b is equal to 250 we got. One answer we got, isn't it? Like that. Next we have to find n of u. N of u, isn't it? N of u formula already learned, isn't it? N of u is equal to n of a plus n of a dash. Otherwise here n of a is given, n of a dash we don't know. Okay. So but here n of b we know. Then n of b dash also we know. So which formula we can apply here? N of b plus n of b dash. Okay. Then equal to n of b, which answer we got? 250 plus n of b dash is 350. 350. This to add means what's the value you will get? This to add 250 plus 350. Okay. 0. Here 5 plus 5 is 10. 0. 1 balance. Then 6. Isn't it? Then what's the answer? 600. Have you understood? Next we are going to see third sum. Verify n of a union b union c is equal to n of a plus n of b plus n of c minus n of a intersection b minus n of b intersection c minus n of a intersection c plus n of a intersection b intersection c for the following sets. Okay. First question I am giving, then second one you do homework. Okay. First question, what is given? First you write it. Okay. A set is given, b is given, c is given. We have to verify. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Both also equal, we have to verify. Okay. Then here first given then n of a. First n of a shall be find. N of a plus n of b, isn't it? Then n of a is equal to n of a. How many elements are here? Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then n of b, how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. Then n of c, how many elements? N of c is 1, 2, 3, 4, isn't it? Then let's what are the things we need? Here A intersection B is we need, isn't it? A intersection B. Okay, directly n of A intersection B we cannot find. So first we have to find A intersection B. Okay, A intersection B means then A and B which is common. Common, C is common, isn't it? Then E also common. Then F also common. Are you clear? Here these 3 common, isn't it? So we can write what? N of A intersection B is equal to, at once we can write 1, 2, 3. 3 elements are there, isn't it? Then afterwards here N of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. First we have to find B intersection C. B intersection C. B and C which is common. B C is there, isn't it? C common. Then D is not in here. Then E is also not. Then F. Okay. B intersection C is what? C and F. So N of B intersection C is equal to how many elements? 2 elements. Are you clear? Then next one, A intersection C. Okay, A intersection C is equal to A and C which is common. A is common. Then afterwards C is common. Then F also common, isn't it? Therefore N of A intersection C is equal to N of A intersection C is equal to 1, 2, 3, isn't it? 3 elements. Okay. Then afterwards you see then N of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. First we have to find A intersection B intersection C is equal to, how we can find, you say? A, B, C. 3 also which is common. Here A is in C set but it is not in here B set, isn't it? So it is not common. Then C is in 3 sets. Okay, which, here also A, B, C, 3 also common. Okay, then C is common. Then E, check it. E, A and B it is available but it is not in C. Okay, then F 3 also common. Then height is not common. Okay, then we can write what? N of A intersection B intersection C is equal to how many elements? 1, 2. Okay, 2 elements are there. Any doubt? Then afterwards here one by one we find, isn't it? Then afterwards N of A union B union C you want to find. So first we have to find A union B union C. Okay, A union B union C. Okay. Then here A union B union C means everything together we have to write. A set. Then B is in C set. So B also we have to write. C is there. Then afterwards C. E is there. E. Then F. Then E F. G. G is not there, isn't it? A, B, C, then E, F and H is there. Okay, how many elements? A, B, C, B, C, E. Here which element is missing? Then A, B is there, C, D we did not write, isn't it? And D, then E, F, H. Okay, then N of A union B union C is equal to left hand side. Okay, left hand side, what is given? N of A union B union C, isn't it? Then here how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 elements. Okay, this is left hand side. This is 1, you should take it. Okay, then right hand side you should take it. Okay, right hand side, what is given? N of A plus N of B, then plus N of C minus N of A intersection B, then minus N of B intersection C, then minus N of A intersection C, then plus N of A intersection B intersection C is equal to, okay, here N of A, what's how many numbers? Here N of A is 5, isn't it? 5, you have to substitute this plus, okay, then N of B, what's the value? 4, isn't it? N of B is 4, N of C also 4, okay, minus N of A intersection B is also 3, here 3, minus N of B intersection C is 2, then this minus N of A intersection C is 3, isn't it? That 3 have to substitute. Then N of A intersection B intersection C is what? 2, isn't it? That 2 you have to write plus this plus, okay, plus 2. Very clear? Then afterwards, here positive numbers everything we have to add. Okay, 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 plus 4 is what? 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay, 13 plus 2 is 15. Very good. Then here minus sign also we have to add. Common sign is minus. Okay, 3 plus 2 is 5, isn't it? 5 plus 3 is what? 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, then 3 numbers also added. Common sign minus, isn't it? That minus we have to write here. 15 minus 8 is 7. Understood? This is 2 we have to take. Okay, already we got N of A union B union C is equal to 7. Okay, these two are equal or not equal? Equal, isn't it? So from 1 and 2, from 1 and 2 we get N of A union B union C is equal to what? N of A plus N of B, then plus N of C minus N of A intersection B, then minus N of B intersection C, then minus N of A intersection C, then plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Okay, then hence verify. Hence verified. Hence verified. This same model, one more question is there. Subdivision 2. Then you have to do homework. Okay. Listen. Example 1.30. Then each one of you like different games, isn't it? Which game you like? Here we are going to see an interesting sum. Shall we see? In a school, all students play either hockey, or cricket or both. 300 play hockey. 250 play cricket and 110 play both games. Find the first question is the number of students who play only hockey. Okay, then the number of students who play only cricket. Third one, then total number of students in the school. Okay, like that 3 questions are given. Okay, then in a school all students are play either hockey or cricket or both. Okay, here A union B, A union B, isn't it? Then hockey or cricket. Okay, here hockey and cricket is given, so shall we take heights and C? Okay, let heights be the set of all students who play hockey. Okay, and C be the set of all students who play what? Cricket. Okay, first letter is here hockey. Hockey means then heights we can take. Then cricket. Cricket means then C we have to take. Okay, 2 sets. Hockey, those who are play only hockey, then we have to find then who play only cricket, total number of students in a school. Like that 3 questions they are asking, isn't it? Then here what is given, first we have to write. Okay, what is given? Then n of, here hockey we took one heights, isn't it? N of heights. So n of heights is equal to 300. 300 play hockey. Okay, then next one 250 play cricket. Okay, so we have to take n of C is equal to, n of C is equal to what? 250. Then afterwards what is given? Cricket and 110 play both games. Both games means then n of heights intersection C also given. What is given? 110. Okay, both games, how many of them playing? Then 110. Okay, and we have to use the Venn diagram. Using Venn diagram. Okay, then using Venn diagram, and then how we can plot here? Here n of heights is equal to 300, isn't it? Then here we have to write 300. Okay, how many of them play? And what hockey? 300. Then total, here total how many of them? 300. Have you understood? Then n of C means then how many of them play cricket? 250. Cricket means this area fully it will come. 250. Shall we write here? 250. Okay, both. Then hockey and cricket, how many of them playing? 110. Both area is here. Intersection is what? 110. Very clear? Then but our question is the number of students who play only hockey. Only hockey means up to this it will come, isn't it? Only hockey. That means except this both. Okay, except this both, then remaining it will come. Okay, remaining hockey. So we have to subtract 300 from 300. We have to subtract 110 minus 110. Very clear? 110 means what's the answer you will get? 300 minus 110 is, side you should write it 300 minus 110. To subtract, here 9 it will come, here 2 balance 190, isn't it? Then equal to 190. Okay, the number of students who play only hockey, how many of them? 190. Next one, the number of students who play only cricket. Only cricket means here how many of them play cricket? then 250, total 250, isn't it? From here we have to subtract this both gain. Okay, both means this 110 we have to subtract. Okay, 250 minus 110. Subtract 0. Here 4 it will come. Then 140. Then equal to 140. Okay. So here two answers also we got. Okay. The number of students who play only hockey. Only hockey means this area. Listen, only hockey 190. Only cricket 140. Then one more question also, isn't it? The total number of students in a school. Okay. Then total number of students in a school is 190 plus this both plus this all. Okay. 3 also add it. Then we will get the answer. Then from the Venn diagram we can write these answers. Okay. Then first one, the number of students who play only hockey is 190. Okay. Then second one, the number of students who play only cricket is 140. Okay. Then next one, the total number of students in a school. That means 190 plus is 110 plus 140. Then this 3 shall we add? Here 190, 110, 140. Then 0, 10, 14. Then 1 balance. Here 3, 4, isn't it? 440. Then equal to 440. Clear? Total number of students in a school is what? 440. Have you understood? Then this is very easy but important. Okay, be careful and study. Okay. Then another method also we can with the help of formula also we can do. Okay, but this is easy for you. Okay, with the help of bangle you should put this round, then only you can write inside. Okay, otherwise it's difficult for you. Okay, in the circle everything you should use pencil. Okay, with the help of pencil you should write draw this round. Okay, then shall I give some homework? Before or not also we have to say, let us consider the following result. We will use this solving the problem then using Venn diagram. Let it 3 sets means then represent the students from the Venn diagram. Okay, the number of students in only A set is here they took A. Okay, then only B set plus B they took. Okay, only set C. At C, small c. Okay, element is C. Okay, then how we can find the total number of students? Only one set. Only one set means this only this A. Okay, this A plus B plus C. Okay, this area it will come. Then next one, total number of students in only 2 set. Suppose only 2 set if they ask means what are the portions it will come? This 2 set only. Okay, 2 set. This means this 3 set also. Okay, common 3 sets. Okay, only 2 sets means this X, Y, Z. This portion only it will come. Okay, then number of students exactly in 3 sets. Okay, exactly 3 sets, which is both here R is common. Exactly 3 sets. Suppose if they ask means then here R you should write it. Okay, then afterwards the total number of students in at least 2 sets. At least 2 sets means here X, Y, Z, then plus this R also it will come. Okay, next one, total number of students in 3 sets. Okay, 3 sets. Total number, suppose if they ask means then A plus b plus c plus x plus y plus z plus r. Okay, this one you have to add. Okay, homework question is exercise 1.6. Exercise 1.6, third one, subdivision 2. Okay, third one, subdivision 2. Then afterwards the fourth question also. Okay, fourth also homework for you, the same this model. Okay, example 1.30 model. Okay, here in a class all students take part in either music or drama or both. Okay, here instead of hockey or cricket, that place here what is given, music or drama. Okay, then 25 students take part music. Okay, music means M, you should take it. With the help of a Venn diagram, you should find. Okay, and then first set is M, music M you should take it, drama D, capital D you should take. Okay, 25 students take part in music, then 30 students take part in drama and 8 students take part in both music. The same model. Okay, first question is what is given means then the number of students who take part in only music. Instead of this hockey, then what is given here? Music. Okay, the number of students who play part in only drama. Instead of cricket, what is given here? Drama. Okay, then total number of students in a class. Okay, here in school is given, then in a classroom. Okay, total number of students in a class. So, fourth question also you can do homework. Then try. Okay, try to do. These questions may be asked for 5 more questions. Okay, so be careful and study. In homework, if you have any doubt, then you can call me in the doubt clearing session. Okay, thank you children.